So YouTubers, speaking of YouTube, are sick of comment spam. So YouTube is testing a stricter moderation system. Who was it that was
Marquez?
Marquez was complaining about this on Twitter, and
No, he did a video on it.
oh, he did a whole video. That's right.
He did an entire video.
But that was after complaining about it on Twitter.
Yes,
Like I think
he always tests the water on Twitter.
A lot of people have complained on Twitter about this situation.
It's a problem for us too.
Oh god,
my God. We do a giveaway on Unbox.
It's scammers. It's not even a giveaway. It doesn't matter. It's any video. It's Telegram, WhatsApp numbers. It's constant scam all the time, 24/7. And I don't know why it's so hard to combat. I'm not sure, but their initial phase solution here appears to be some kind of stricter hold comment for review type situation. So there's a toggle that's been in there for a while, which is like hold sensitive comments, or language or whatever, and it's supposed to be like just a general moderation tool that can weed out bad stuff. But obviously, it doesn't really work.
Doesn't work when you scale.
It just hasn't worked. We don't have any evidence that initial toggle is doing anything.
Yeah.
Well, I guess for like maybe
certain
50
words
subscriber count, you can actually see the people that's messaging.
Well,
is that what I mean?
Well, yeah, but it's supposed to be automated. So it says hide in potentially inappropriate comments.
Oh, but you can approve them, right?
Well, you can hold all comments, I guess, if you wanted, if you actually planned on manually moderating it. But that's not really... Like YouTube's goal is to have limited user input. Like they're about algorithms and engineering. Like they want to find a way around this, I presume. But it's a vast thing that they're managing, and scammers are really crafty, and especially when it's working out.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. So Linus made a video February 1st, and then Mark has made a video April 1st. So
we got to make one March 1st.
Yeah, I guess so.
On April Fools? Interesting.
Yeah, that's one of those moments where you question. And Jacksepticeye made a video March 6th. Everybody's noticing this thing. It is absolutely a big problem.
Jesus.
And people are falling victim to the scams. Regular people losing money.
Mm-hmm.
And then you also have like the images of girls where they would just copy. It's like a bot, and it would just copy and paste a comment. And so then you just end up with like this weird,
repetitive comment. It looks like your whole channel's been spammed.
It's very strange. Yeah, it looks like you're hacked or something.
Yeah.
And obviously, this is not a good look. So there's this new feature, increase strictness. And people are trying it out. I'll click it on my next upload. I'll click it and see if it works.
Oh, so it's
But it might actually hold certain comments. See, this is one of the difficulties with this type of automated moderation, is it might misfire. And then all of a sudden, people who are trying to write a comment that is not a scam or spam, those comments might get held. Or it might not go through. So we'll give it a test, but hopefully it does something positive here.